Hi guys, welcome to our channel of Heat Press Leader. Today I'm going to show you our laser alignment system of our different heat presses, and I will also show you how the laser alignment system enhances the ease and precision of your pressing process. Now look at our list press. This is our dual electric heat press machine with two working stations, each equipped with a laser alignment on left and right. Now plug in the power cable of machine and then you press this button on the side of the press to turn on the laser alignment. With four independent laser lines forming wireless line combinations to meet different positioning needs. And the laser alignment can easily adjusted by loosening the thumb screws on the top of each laser. Once you position each laser into place, then tighten the thumb screws to secure its location. After adjustment, you can directly place the t-shirt or garment onto the working stations. Using the guidance of the laser beams, you can easily position the transfer materials exactly where it needs to go. Ensuring precise alignment will improve your production efficiency. This is our laser alignment system installed on a single station machine with independent plug. Before use, it needs to be mounted on the machine's rear pillar. The laser head is same as the one on our dual station machine, and the usage and the adjustments are also the same. In addition, our laser alignment system can also be used on our cap press machine. This is an integrated laser positioning device. Simply press the switch to turn on the laser power and adjust the laser beam using these thumb screws. With the laser, transfer materials can be easily positioned on the cap, significantly improving operational efficiency. Thanks for your watching. For more information of our laser alignment system, please visit our website or contact our sales team. For more exciting content, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments. See you next time. Bye bye.